how to increase RAM on PC and laptop. So if you want to increase RAM on your PC and laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings at first. Now, once you're under your settings, you just need to simply go with the system. And under system, you will have an about section on the bottom. Go with about. And here you will have your installed RAM. So in your device, it might be 4 GB, 8 GB, something like that. So once you have or once you've checked that, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with advanced system settings. Now you just need to simply go with settings under the performance and go with advanced. And here you will have the virtual memory, right? So it says that a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So the total size is right here. You can see that. So what you can do is simply go with change and make sure that this is unchecked. Now you need to simply go with custom size, and here you will have initial size and maximum size, right? So you just need to simply focus for a few seconds. So if you have like here you can see that I have 8 GB, right? So what you need to do is open up your calculator, and in my case what I'll do is I'll just go with 8 multiplied by 1024 and then multiply it by 1.5, which gives me 12,288. But if it's like in your device, if it's 4 GB RAM, then you just need to simply go with 4 multiplied by 1024 multiplied by 1.5. So you just need to simply enter this amount in the initial size, and then you need to go with the maximum size. So under your maximum size, what you need to do is simply go with 8 GB. In my case, I have 8 GB. You may have 4 or 8 or 16 or 32 like that. You can simply go with yours. In my case, it's 8. Multiply it by 1024 once again. And now multiply by 3. And you'll get the answer. You just need to simply enter that in the maximum size. And once you've entered the size, you just need to simply go with set. So once you go with set, you need to go with OK and apply it. Once you applied, you just need to simply go back and remove all of this, restart your device, and after restarting, you will be able to see that your RAM will be increased and it will even boost the performance. So that's how you can increase RAM on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.